met with a lot of people who are involved with Hakkasan. And they said, we're going to make this the biggest and the best club in the world. And I was really attracted to that idea. Yeah, you got the main room and you have the after room. There's a lot of possibilities. You know, I like that kind of stuff. We can go till 9 in the morning. I'm not sure if that's a good thing. It's a different setup tonight too. We have a lot of extra stuff, and effects, different visuals. I flew in my pro crew. Like,
did you really?
Yeah, who does normally my arena shows. So.
Arena show
in a club, yeah. We have a starting point now. We'll always be changing and we're always going to be innovating. Keep trying to keep everybody on their toes to make it the best ever.